unscripted.
One speech could set the stage for the next 4 years. Wolf Blitzer, Anderson Cooper, Chris Cuomo, Jake Tapper, and the CNN team lead special coverage of the President's State of the Union address. Special live coverage starts Tuesday night at 7 Eastern on CNN.
Fenway Park, Boston, which is now covered with a lot of snow, as is much of the Northeast, and that, of course, is the big story we're following and continue to follow right here on CNN. We want to bring in the mayor right now of Hamden, Connecticut. That's Scott Jackson. He joins us on the phone. And Mayor, I understand you've got something like 34 inches of snow on the ground there. How are you doing?
Well, it's a disaster. We have 240 miles of road, about 61,000 residents, and at some point the plows become ineffective. You actually have to move the snow. So we're moving some loaders now, as opposed to doing the strict plowing that we usually do.
And aside from that, of course, I know that the roads are closed. People hopefully are staying off the roads, right?
Absolutely. Your